Hi, I'm Brian Nathanson from Clarity Product Management, and today we will be covering benefit plans in projects. So what's new? Benefit plans are now available in the Financials module of the modern user experience. So these are the things that are relevant to the new benefit plans in the Financials module. You have your subpage to display the benefit plans. You have the ability to create new benefit plans by hitting the plus icon. Our benefit plans module has all of the standard generic grid capabilities, including the column picker, the ability to configure the filter, as well as the ability to save views. And the views that are saved are shared across projects, ideas, and the custom investment type financials modules. So in other words, what you save for your view in benefit plans in any of the investment types is shared across all of the investment types. In addition, when you actually go into the benefit plan details, you'll have breadcrumbs to display which benefit plan you're actually in, the menu to give you the different options available for the benefit plan, whether it's copying it, deleting it, or exporting it to a CSV file. You'll have the ability to view and edit the timescale value data, the ability to view the data based on the required periods, and again, those same generic grid capabilities are available at this level as well. So on the benefit plan list, you have the generic grid capabilities, and when you're looking at the benefit plan detail, you have those same generic grid capabilities for the column picker, for being able to save views, configure the filter, and configure the flyout. Just another comment on the benefit plan details menu. It provides those specific actions you can take against the benefit plan. Again, the ability to copy, delete, or export to CSV. If you copy, you will be able to copy the current benefit plan either as is or shift it to a different time frame. This functionality is analogous to the same functionality that was available in the classic user experience. So now with that, we'll go ahead and demonstrate the benefit plans functionality. So here we go ahead and drill into the financials module, and you will see that benefit plan subpage on this side here. I should point out that the older financial plans module in the modern UX does not have benefit plans in it. So if you are currently using the financial plans module in one of your blueprints, it does not contain benefit plans. So you will want to use the financials module specifically to find your benefit plans. When you get to benefit plans, as mentioned, you have the ability to add a new plan simply by clicking the plus sign. You can also go ahead and see information about your benefit plan in the grid here. The column picker allows you to add additional columns for the specific things that you might want to add or see about your benefit plans here. You also have the ability to filter plans by adding columns from the filter, as well as the ability to configure the flyout that shows up for your particular benefit plan when you actually open up the flyout. You can configure it so that you can add whichever fields that you'd like from here. Any changes that you make, including to the options, which in this case are simply the displays, can be saved into a view, and you have the ability to save those views up here in the view saving area. When we go ahead and drill into a particular benefit plan, you'll see the benefit plan detail. So just as a comment on benefit plans and how they are used, in this case, you can see that this particular benefit plan is talking about the global distribution of Android tablets to our organization. And it looks like in this case, we expect to roll it out in the Western North America or Western United States first, as well as in Australia. And then as you see, we have a consistent staggered rollout around the world as we go. And when we expect to see the benefits of having done that rollout of those tablets, hopefully through improved sales execution or whatever the end result's supposed to be. Okay. So you have that information here. What you're then able to do, for example, is be able to track those benefits by simply clicking them in here. This is the plan. If you actually wanted to see the actual time series is also here, and we can get a comparison. So in this case, if we look, we can see that we actually did better than we thought in the Western US and actually achieved more benefit than we thought in the first quarter. However, we didn't make it in Australia. So we basically have the ability to see this information here and be able to compare against the actual benefits. Right? So with that, if we go ahead and take a look at the other plans that we have available here, or the other features we have available here, again, you can copy the plan. And if you copy the plan, you'll have the ability to name it, as well as indicate that you want to shift the periods that are in focus. Okay? You can also take the entire plan out to CSV, and when you do that, you will be able to get the information out into a CSV or Excel file, right? So you have the ability to get all of that information out as well. There's also the ability to group by in the grid. All of the standard grid functionality is here, and the ability to see that information, for example, by highlighting and seeing the sum down at the bottom of the screen, is in this particular functionality. And that concludes the demonstration of benefit plans in projects.